So if you're confused about Desmos Screen 4, if you're stuck, this is where you should be. Screen 4 is the third problem in Desmos. If you have not yet tried to solve this using your notes on your own, pause this video, try to solve it first. But if you did that and you're still stuck, this is where you should be. Make sure as we're working through this problem that you're following along with me, pausing the video, making sure that your notes look like my screen. Don't just watch this video and then go back and try to solve the problem. Let's work through this together. If you don't have Desmos graphing calculator, Desmos scientific calculator pulled up, this one, go ahead and pull it up now. So I'm looking here and I have my inequality. My inequality has 3 pieces. Has the left piece, the middle piece, and the right piece. First, I just want to look at this middle piece. So I have negative x plus 39, and my goal is to get x by itself. If I wanted to do that, the first thing that I have to do is get rid of this positive 39. To get rid of positive 39, I'm going to subtract 39 from all sides of my inequality. So the left, the middle, and the right. These are going to cancel out. I've got 9 minus 39. Pause your video, pull up Desmos, do this with me. So 9 minus 39 gives me a negative 30. Bringing down that inequality sign. Now this is negative x. I'm going to write this as negative 1x because we can always assume that if there's a negative sign, the coefficient is negative 1. Bring down my inequality sign, and then I have 4 minus 39. Again, I'm going to hop back to Desmos. 4 minus 39, that gives me negative 35. Okay. So this x, I'm still trying to get it by itself. It's not quite there yet because I have that negative 1 as a coefficient. In order to get rid of that, I know I have to divide by negative 1 on all sides of this inequality, all pieces, the left, the middle, and the right. So negative 30 divided by negative 1 just leaves us with a positive 30. These cancel out, so I'm left with x. And then negative 35 divided by negative 1 leaves me with a positive 35. That's because a negative divided by a negative is a positive. Now notice I haven't wrote my inequality signs yet. That's because I want to point out when we divide by this negative 1, we're going to have to flip these inequality signs. Flipping our inequality signs. So I get 30 is less than x is less than 35. I want to graph this. Well, before we graph, pause the video. Make sure your notes look like my screen. When I'm graphing, I'm going to use open circles. Since I've got this less than sign, it's not less than or equal to, so I know I have to use an open circle. I drew a circle over 30, over 35, and now I just need to connect these. And that's our solution to this inequality.